Hello, this is Weld Review Tech. Obviously you see the title of this video. I received this package from China, let's find out what's inside. Osmo Mobile 3 has arrived, offering content creators a great big slice of handheld gimbal stabilization. Join us as we unbox this gimbal stabilizer and discover the technology at hand. The following items are included inside the box. Osmo Mobile 3. Osmo Grip Tripod. Osmo Carrying Case. Storage Pouch. Power Cable. Wrist Strap. Anti-slip pads. With a new foldable design at just 405 grams, you can take Osmo Mobile 3 anywhere. A lightweight design and anti-slip grip will help you to vlog and shoot content throughout the day. Stabilized footage. A 3-axis stabilized gimbal features brushless motors that provide smooth, real-time responses to eliminate unwanted camera movements. Single-handed control. Thanks to an intelligent design with accessible functions, Osmo Mobile 3 is designed for single-handed control, giving you the freedom to shoot and enjoy your moments. Active Track 3.0 technology has been incorporated into Osmo Mobile 3, which features advanced computer vision algorithms to provide stable tracking. Users can press the trigger button on Osmo Mobile 3 to automatically track an object in the middle of the frame. Gesture control. From vlogging to group photos, this convenient feature empowers you to start recording or take selfies with simple gestures. Creative shooting modes. Whatever your story, wherever your adventure, Osmo Mobile 3 contains exciting shooting modes that will inspire your creative moments. Dolly Zoom. Recreate your favorite movie scenes and add a touch of cinematic flair to your footage with the dolly zoom effect. Panoramas. Take stunning footage of your scenery with 3x3 panoramas. Slow motion. This feature helps you capture every fascinating detail. Time-lapse. Perfect for adding creative transitions to your footage, time-lapse helps you condense time and movement into stunning footage. Hyperlapse. Supported by 3-axis stabilization, the hyperlapse feature lets you create complex motion paths and impress your audience with stunning camera angle changes. Sport mode. From thrilling ski slopes to your local soccer league action, sport mode helps you capture fast-paced action with ease. Handy convenience. This new function allows users to automatically switch between landscape and portrait orientations. Simply press the M button twice to switch your smartphone orientation, or press it 3 times to switch between the front and back camera. Improved user controls. Another useful improvement to Osmo Mobile 3 is the introduction of advanced user controls. You no longer have to control the gimbal and modes using only your smartphone touchscreen. Now, everything from footage playback to accessing the quick menu can be achieved using integrated buttons on the device. DJI Mimo. Featuring tutorials, intelligent modes, and convenient templates, the DJI Mimo app is the perfect tool to take your Osmo Mobile 3 adventure one step further. Story mode. Whether you're vlogging in a vibrant city or capturing natural wonders on your latest adventure, create and share all your special moments with story mode. One-tap templates. Add dynamic effects to your footage in just seconds with multiple templates to choose from. Users can also choose from a variety of music templates, import their own, and apply a variety of creative transition effects to their content. The camera in your phone is pretty good, and even capable of shooting 4K video. But one of the biggest challenges in getting professional results from your phone is camera movement. Shaky handheld footage just isn't going to cut it. Enter the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, a lightweight handheld gimbal that creates perfectly smooth shots and can even track subjects. DJI has continued to refine its approach to the phone gimbal. It is more flexible, easier to use, and even cheaper than the Osmo Mobile 2. With its foolproof Bluetooth connection, effortless switching between portrait and landscape orientation, and new shooting modes, it is a worthy replacement to its predecessor and a new benchmark for the category. When folded, the entire device isn't much taller than a plus-sized phone. But while the new Osmo's hardware approaches perfection, the accompanying DJI Mimo app leaves out some advanced features, especially for Android users. Hopefully this can be remedied in a software update. Even so, its low price tag of $119 makes it hard to pass up. While the matte gray color and basic appearance of the Osmo Mobile 3 look similar to the previous version, A closer investigation reveals several small changes. The grip is now tilted 15 degrees forward and a trigger button has been added to the front that can be used to quickly recenter the gimbal, activate subject tracking, or switch between the front and rear cameras on your phone. Mounting and balancing your phone is easy and perfect balance, while helpful, isn't required. The gimbal's motors are strong enough to correct for improper balance, making this the quickest gimbal to set up that I've ever used. Switching between portrait and landscape orientation is faster than ever thanks to the quick roll feature. Unlike the Osmo Mobile 2, you no longer have to adjust the position of the phone when switching orientations. You can even do it while recording. The entire gimbal folds, collapsing against the handle. When folded, the device isn't much taller than a plus-sized phone. Even when extended, the Osmo Mobile 3 stands a few millimeters shorter than its forebear. It's also about 3 ounces lighter, not a huge difference, but it's nice that the extra articulation has an increased weight. The foldable design makes the Osmo Mobile 3 much easier to transport, and it tucks neatly into a carrying case alongside a tabletop tripod that's part of the $139 combo pack, tested. The tripod is a nearly essential piece of the kit, so I'd opt for the combo pack. However, the handle uses a standard 1/4 inch socket, so you can mount it to virtually any other tripod. The battery is integrated into the device and charges via USB-C. DJI advertises 15 hours of battery life, which will easily outlast your phone. There's also a USB-A port that can be used to power your phone while attached to the gimbal. To connect your Osmo Mobile 3, download and open the DJI Mimo app. Ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are activated on the device. Once the DJI Mimo app is open, click the camera icon in the top left corner of the screen. Find the Osmo Mobile 3 in the device connection list and click Connect. Click the Login button. Click the Login button if you have a DJI account, if not, click Register. Enter the details as requested on the screen and click Login. If your login is successful, the page will redirect to the next step. Click Activate on your screen to complete the process. Your activation is now complete and your Osmo Mobile 3 is ready to be used.